Almost all opinion polls had predicted the results. And even before the counting was completed, it was evident that the Akali BJP combined were romping home clear winners. The ruling Congress was decimated, and the BSP, which was the single largest opposition in the outgoing assembly, was reduced to a single seat. The share of votes also confirmed the return of the Akali Dal led by Prakash Singh Badal and the erosion of the Congress vote bank. Given the fact that this was also one of the most trouble-free elections ever conducted, Congress leaders were quick to take credit for this. The Punjab results nevertheless brings into sharp focus certain fundamental questions, among which is the fear that with the Akalis coming back to power, will the state once again drift back to its traumatic days of militancy? The marginalization of the militant SS Man factor of the Akali Dal is also being cited as proof that the people of Punjab have rejected the politics of terrorism. The other related question concerns the longevity of the Akali BJP combined, specifically in the light of the Anandpur Sahib resolution by which the Akali Dal swears, and which demands greater autonomy for the state, and which is resolutely opposed to by the BJP. Apart from the BSP, led by Kanshiram, which suffered a humiliating defeat, it is the dismal performance of the Congress in the assembly elections which has revived the rift within the party itself. Senior leaders opposed to the Congress president, Mr. Sitaram Kesri, have already fired salvos, blaming the current leadership for the debacle. The Congress High Command, on the other hand, claimed that the former party president, Mr. Narasimha Rao, had neglected the party organization to such an extent that the party was now paying the price for this neglect. Political observers, however, claim that the Congress performance in the hustlings was directly linked to the people's yearning for a change in the state government. This was compounded by the image of corruption which the Congress had acquired over the past few years. Prakash Singh Badal was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Punjab this week, back in the saddle of power after 17 years. And the Shiromani Akali Dal BJP alliance is being viewed as a new strategy to serve as a healing touch to the scars left by a traumatic past. A political equation which is evidence itself that the state is today far removed from those alarming days of militancy and terrorism. For the new Chief Minister, however, along with the position comes responsibility and the awareness that for the electorate in Punjab, this landslide victory must be ultimately translated into a redemption of the various election pledges.